Hello, my name is Khan. Look at this little boy. I choose this knife because as an office person I have to open a lot of box, mail and other stuff. But at the same time, this knife, it's not only for office. This knife, it's a professional tool for skinners. Short blade. The edge is strong and doesn't have any flexibility or spring. Overall length 170 mm, blade length 45, handle length 25 and blade thickness 3 mm, hardness 60 HRC, weight about 30 grams. Vintage Western cowboy style holster, easy to mount and unmount. Beautiful and small hunting knife. Fixed blade D2 steel is an air hardening, high carbon, high chromium. It is heat treatable and it will offer hardness in the range 55-62 HRC and is machinable in the annealed condition. Handle material smooth ornamental ebony wood. This knife, best tool for hunters, for office workers, YouTube reviewers to open mailboxes and other stuff. And also the ebony wood, interesting shape, makes this knife perfect set for the gift. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.